I have a short thing to share with y'all, and I want to hear your story. So I'm in one of my pizza stores, right? And I'm cleaning the windows. So he's telling me he's getting ready to cater an event. I said, "Oh yeah, where at?" And he told me a hatchet place. I said, "Hatchet place?" He said, "Yeah, they get they go there and they throw hatchets." I said, "Really?" I said, "It's a store?" He said, "No, you can actually go in there and throw hatchets. You know how they have indoor firing ranges? They have an indoor hatchet range." And I said, "Wow. Instead of throwing darts, they're throwing hatchets." I didn't even know there was such a thing. Apparently it is. I don't think, now somebody in their lifetime might feel the need or have to fire a gun, but a hatchet? I mean, what? Who are these people that go to pay to throw hatchets around? I mean, this ain't. I mean, hey, if they're part Indian, I can understand. But I mean, I think that era went a long time ago. So they have a tournament there, throwing hatchets. I couldn't believe it. They have a tournament, and there's people from all over the country here to throw hatchets. And guess what? They're drinking. Oh my goodness. That's all I need to see is somebody so drunk it slips out of their hand and now they hatchet their toes off. Can you imagine that? Drinking and throwing hatchets. Outstanding. Boy, I thought I'd seen it all. But let me know if you have anything strange like that in your area. In my area, we actually have a theme park. It's a construction theme park. You know how they have those booms and those construction uh, cranes? They turned the whole theme park into a ride. You know, like how you go to Great Adventure, but this is all construction for the kids. And I thought that that's pretty cool. That's the only one in the country like that. The only construction theme park in the in the United States. And we have an indoor uh, water park too, a couple of them. But anyway, I'm gonna go follow up on a lead. It's a strip mall center, and you may have seen that video where I met the guy. He was at the pizza store, and he told me that he uses everyone that the pizza guy uses. So I haven't heard from the guy. He said he was going to call me. He didn't call me, so we're going to go there and nudge him a little bit. So y'all can come on in and follow me. Stu, hello. I just was following up on you. I remember we talked briefly about having your plaza done. Here's my card again. I didn't know if you you know, just was busy and maybe lost my info or
Oh, I actually have it in front of me.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because I just did the pizza store and he wanted to know, hey, did that guy call you? I said, no, I don't think so. And he said, maybe stop by there. And I forgot where you had told me where you were, so he told me.
How often do you do his place?
I do his once a month, the same as the Firestone.
Right. And why don't you give me a quote for all the stores? For the
Just the outside, right?
outside, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, because the indoors, they could do it at their leisure. I mean, if you wanted me to do the inside of each door's unit, I could do that and throw that in.
They're
But
separate businesses.
oh, okay,
Yeah.
cool.
No, and I have a cleaning crew that comes and does mine.
Oh, great. So just the outside, this whole plaza, right? Okay. All right, so y'all can walk with me. I'll show y'all the plaza. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It's a small plaza. But still, it's money, and it's quick money, because it's only the outside, and I could do that at any time. So y'all got to take that into consideration. 20, we got some cobwebs in the corner. And cocoons. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. All right, 34. All right, $60 to do the outside. Just let me know, if you
Bill it monthly. You do it twice a month.
Twice a month and bill it monthly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could do that.
And come.
How are you gonna pay? Credit, debit, check, or cash?
I didn't pay cash. I'll pay check.
All right, check
Like
is
everybody
fine.
else.
Yeah.
You'll get a bill paycheck for my Ocean's First.
Yeah, that's no problem.
Bill it to this. Send me an invoice. Once a month, and you'll get paid.
Okay. Do I leave the invoice at this store
my style?
when I'm done?
You're gonna mail it.
Oh, mail it? Okay.
Well, he was telling me like it's hard because he wants pullover, so he really doesn't because they're all houses.
That's so many of my work.
I know, because he says he has a Comcast phone, but like, but he got this.
That's where I mail it to.
Not this
Okay.
Not AGs anymore.
just the gray. I just need to do it. He's been better than me.
Put my name and my phone number and myself.
I have one pair
Okay.
right here.
That's cute.
Kind of stretch. Like the purple.
I'll give you my
That's a little
office.
lightweight flannel.
For here? For this? Okay.
Send me a monthly invoice and I'll pay you once a month.
All right, so
I'll enter you through my payable system.
all right, so we're gonna do the first two cleanings and then I'll mail the invoice.
Once a month.
Do it like that.
I'm not on cheap.
I would never think that because
Our business has been since
Yeah.
They're all sort of
1967.
late.
oh, impressive. You've been here quite a while.
I've been in business
In the same spot you've been here?
here since the 90s.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Yeah, see.
All right. Let me write this down. Twice a month.
It's not late.
I'm gonna put it in my schedule also. So when do you want me to get started? The first cleaning.
I would say on November, the first week of November.
First week of November? All right, that sounds good. I'll do the first cleaning the first week and then the middle of November and do it like that.
Yeah. All right.
Weather pending, of course. Yeah. All right. Thanks, Stu. I'll see you later. Nice to meet you again. All right. Have a good one. All right. See, that's why you guys, if you're going out for leads and you're canvassing, you got to follow up, man, because you don't realize how much money you could be missing out on because people get caught up, they'll put things off on hold. But when you give them a reminder, it's like, oh, yeah, that's right. Come on, let's do it then. I done picked up a plaza, which I thought was once a month, and he surprised me. I guess because the price, you see, he didn't jump like he was hesitant, like he was trying to see if I was going to change the price on him. But I gave him a good price. That's probably why he decided to do it twice a month rather than once a month. So not only that, check this out. I could probably get each individual unit and do the insides and charge extra and get different money. I mean, anything could be done. This guy actually, see, you don't never know what people are into, but where he told me to mail the invoice and they'll send me a check it says SHS Real Estate LLC. So that means this guy owns a real estate company. So he's a good friend to have. I can see myself getting a lot of work out of this guy. Homes, residential, friends, and whatnot. You gotta treat people nice. So with this guy, I don't even know him. But guess what? By the next month, I'm gonna know him like I've known him for a while, because that's how you gotta be with people. You gotta make them feel comfortable doing business with you. Ask them how their day's been. Sit there and talk with them for a while. Now, don't do that if you're gonna take up their time and they're busy. You don't do that. But you see it's slow, stop there and chat a while. Some people sometimes appreciate you taking the time out of your busy time to sit there and talk about just life or business or whatever the case may be, whatever the topic may be. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I hope you enjoyed the live canvassing. More live canvassings coming up. I don't do live canvassings out of the blue, only unless I get a call. Then I'll take y'all with me. But that's pretty much it. Macafrackalacka. Peace, peace, peace.